That is another video of English practice journey, right? In this video, I think I should do some practices because today I do not do a lot of practice because I don't have time because I have a time, but mentally busy. I am a lot of mentally busy. Like there are sometimes that there are two kind of busyness. The first is mentalness busy, and the second is physically busy. Physically being busy means you are doing something. For example, maybe your work, maybe you're playing, maybe you're doing some farming work like that, and writing something, and reading something like that. Okay, so that is called physical work. But sometimes there are a mental work. There are two types of mental work. First is thinking and planning, that kind of stuff, right? That you are planning to do something. Maybe you are planning to your trip, and maybe you are planning to do some work, your homework, your studies, that kind of thing. This is your planning, and then the thing that you follow for a while. Okay, that's called a mental work. And some of that are you are doing that work. For example, you are driving a car, and that's the physical work, but at the same time you are having a mental work also, because you need to understand that there is something that will come, and maybe I'm not saying, but if you had something accident kind of thing. So that's the problem. That's why brain always think, and you are consciously thinking about that thing. So that's called the mental work, the second phase. First phase means you are planning something and that kind of thing. You are studying, and because of it's all mental process. But the second one is different. So I had a lot of mental work, honestly. Like I was very anxious, and anxious not, but I was very tired to think about that. I had some farming work, like a pipeline, and their wire was replacing. So yeah, that's a lot of work, right? I need to think about that. What kind of bus are they have? What, how I can change them, and how I can do something. I need to plan with my neighbor, kind of all things that you need to do about that. So yeah, maybe I will explain this very well in another video. Today is not, but the video is done. Okay.